Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn off traffic in Forza Horizon 6. You might know there is no direct option available in game by which you can turn off traffic directly, but I have the workaround which works every single time. So for that you need to talk to Anna, then select World Builder, select Route, select Create New, and here we are going to create custom race because that will allow us to turn off traffic completely. So we need to choose the car we wanna use. I'm going with Lamborghini. Select OK. Now hit the back button and select yes. And here you need to just go a bit further. You need to choose the point where you cannot go accidentally. Let's say I choose this one. Okay, now press the option button. Select place finish line. Select yes. Now select create new again. Now you can name it whatever you want, but I'm just going with the default one. Next, select the option create event with this route. Next you're gonna see window like this, and here we have the option event settings. This option will allow us to turn off traffic completely, but before you do that, just put max number of driver tests option on off. You can also change things like season, weather, time of day according to your preference. For instance, I'll just put them on default, and this is the option we have here, traffic. Right from here you'll be able to turn off traffic. Just select confirm to save changes. Now select validate, select your car again. Now select start validation, and yep, there you go, the race is now starting. And keep in mind, you should not finish this race. If you finish the race, that way the event will end and you will not able to enjoy trafficless road. And here you can see there is no traffic at all, so you can just enjoy roam around, and that's how you'll able to basically turn off traffic completely by using the custom race option. And for some reason, if you don't like this progress indicator at top left hand corner, you can disable that too. Just you have to go to settings. Here select HUD and gameplay. Here you need to scroll a bit and you will see the option lap time and position. So you have to turn this off temporary and simply hit the back button, select save and continue. And now you will see there is no progress indicator at top left hand corner. Now you can just enjoy the game, and once you're done, if you wanna get back to normal settings, for that you need to pause the game again, go to quit event, select yes, and from here you'll be able to basically exit from this event. It is that easy. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.